I want to ask you a real question. I promise I'm not being shady. Are you really running your real estate business or is it running you? Real question. Matter of fact, let me rephrase it. Are you building a true business or are you building a house of cards that are just ready to collapse? And the reason why I'm asking is because I want to talk to you right quick about structure. So processes, systems, structure. What do I mean when I say, are you laying the right foundation? Well, when we think about foundation, that foundation has to be really strong. And I want to help you get there. My name is Chasen J. Miles, for those of you who don't know me. And I've been in the real estate business for over 10 years, built a nationwide team. I've done a lot in real estate, and I really find that the success of my business came from having strong systems and process. And when you have these strong systems and processes, you can pretty much weather any storm. So the market changing, leads drying up, whatever it is, whatever's going on, those systems and those processes can get you through it. Think about this. You ever feel like your business is a half-built building? You got beams all over the place, wires exposed, and no blueprint. And trust me, I've been there. I know what it's like to try to build this business without having a plan. And those plans can be hard to come by. But I want to tell you, without a plan, you are truly building your business on shaky ground. The issue isn't the work that you're doing. I'm sure you're working hard. The issue is the lack of structure, aka your blueprint. And without that blueprint, you're building blindly. And that's the way that people fail out of this business. I want you to think of your real estate business like a skyscraper. You're building a skyscraper. To do that, you need structural engineers, you need contractors, you need the plans, you need builders, and all of these people have to work in unison, meaning they all have to work together. Same thing with your real estate business. Right now, you probably have this over here, that over here, this system, that process, but it's not working together. It's not working in unison. And so you really want to stop doing that and build with more of a purpose. Here's how you can do that. First, you need to draft a solid blueprint. So you need to carefully write down what processes you need for these three areas: lead generation, nurturing, and conversion. Those are the only three areas. Next, then you lay the foundation. So this foundation is going to consist of the tools that you need to get the job done. Just those three jobs. So lead generation, nurturing, and conversion. So this can include your CRM. It can include some AI tools that are out here now. It can include a process that you already have in place, but that is your foundation in order to make those three things happen. Think of it like the concrete of your structure. Now you get to building your team. So just like that construction crew, everybody has a job, and the way that you build your team around you is based on their strengths. So you're not trying to make someone do something that they're not comfortable doing or that they don't have knowledge in doing. Everybody has strengths, and those are the people that you want to have on your team. Each of those people has a specific role. Always remember that. Next, you raise the framework. So now you're actually building. Every system and every process in your business is going to need consistency. That's what separates the people who last versus the people who fall out of the business. You ask any top producer, they're going to tell you consistency is what makes it happen. That consistency is the skeleton of your building. The more consistent you are, the taller it becomes. As you are being consistent, that builds strength and it allows you to make those adjustments as needed. And then from there, you're just inspecting and improving. So you're having that inspection, you're looking for loose bolts, you're looking for cracks, you're looking for shaky, chipped paint, you're looking for things that need to be fixed and need to be perfected. It's important to do this because this is what's going to keep your building sturdy and tall. And once you've done that, you'll be able to enjoy the view. You'll have a strong structure, strong building, you'll have better leads, you'll have higher conversions, you'll have more closings. It'll all be so much better. And you're gonna stand out. People are gonna recognize you. And this all stemmed from having that system and those processes in place in your business. I encourage you to really follow these steps because I've been helping agents implement this into their business. I've been working with them one-on-one in order to implement these systems and processes, and we're seeing immediate results. And by immediate, I mean quick wins right at the beginning because, like I said earlier, most of you have things that you do, right? There's things that you do day in and day out in your business. You may be consistent at some things. However, things are not working in unison and there may be cracks that you can't see. So that's what I've been helping agents do. And, it's working very well. And so if you need guidance with this, definitely follow me on social media, follow me on Instagram. But I have a link you can click on down in the description. You can schedule a call and we can take a look at things and see if there's a way that I can help you one-on-one get your business perfectly structured on a strong foundation so that way you can build it high.